Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token price update. Now, Tectonic token have started really increasing in price in the past 15 hours. Tectonic token have hit almost 600% in terms of volume. Wow, this is amazing to see Tectonic token start pumping and now hitting almost 600%. Tectonic token actually in the past 24 hours was trading between $100,000 and $4,000. Right now, Tectonic token is hitting almost $450,000, and that is on the positive side because this increase in volume is actually people are buying more of Tectonic token, even though other crypto coins too are also increasing in price, just like BTC. Bitcoin have now hit over $17,000 since the past 4 weeks. BTC has been trading between $15,000 and $16,000. Bitcoin finding it difficult to cross the $17,000 mark, and right now BTC have finally crossed the $17,000 mark, and you can see even Tectonic token also increasing in price. Now, the Tectonic token is approaching $11 million market cap after dropping below $9 million few weeks ago. We are happy to see that Tectonic token is really increasing price. The trading volume is really pumping, and I believe Tectonic token definitely, when BTC will be hitting back at its all-time price, this shows that Tectonic token also will be hitting back at its all-time price, and Tectonic token will be hitting a very high level. I believe Tectonic token very soon is going to delete zeros very soon, because this token was actually trading with about 6 zeros few weeks ago before later adding another zero, making it 7 zeros, and I believe Tectonic token will soon be deleting between 1 to 2 zeros, which if Tectonic token delete about 2 zeros, then we are already in profit. $100 will be returning almost $1,000 or $1,500 at the time of recording this, and I'm happy to see that the Tectonic token is on green. The volume is have really increased. I mean, almost 600%. It's amazing, and let's hope that Tectonic token will keep pumping before the end of next year to see Tectonic token massively increasing in price. But please remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. And in case you want to invest in Tectonic token or any crypto coin we normally mention here, please kindly remember to invest what you can afford to lose. Well, once again, thank you for subscribing and never miss any of our updates.